What's up, everyone? This is Jake here. We got the fourth episode of how to code your own stock trading bot. And in this episode, I wanted to talk about what makes a strategy good. What makes an algorithm good? What makes, a trading strategy good? And I wanted to talk about a lot of pitfalls that people come across when they're building their own strategies and how to get over them. So when you're building, in our series, we've built a simple moving average crossover strategy. And we've seen, profitable results from backtesting, right? And I just want you to know that doesn't mean anything. Doesn't mean nothing that it's profitable backtested in, with historical data. It doesn't mean anything because, it's not in real time, and that's what really counts. So today I wanted to talk about, couple things that make a strategy good. Okay. The biggest thing with trading strategies that programmers and algorithmic traders come across is what's called curve fitting, okay, or overfitting your strategy to a set amount of data, right? You might backtest, say, the last say 3 months, say from January till now, till March, and your strategy is wildly profitable. You're making it, you're making thousands of dollars. You think you got the golden nugget, and then the next day you run it and you lose a crap ton of money. And you're like, wow, why did that happen? My backtested strategy was so good. I made $10,000 from January to March 10th, and then March 11th you run it and you lose $2,000, and you're like, wow, that sucks. So you really need to, have a plan when you're building a strategy. And part of that plan is testing your algorithm with in-sample data and out-of-sample data, okay? So instead of, backtesting your strategy for a set amount of time and then just going right into real time, which you should do anyways, for sure, absolutely. But you need to test your strategy with in-sample data. So maybe instead of January to March, you just do all of January, right? You optimize it for January, and then you test it with February and see where you get, and then maybe March is real time. Okay? That is the number one key to making a good strategy. Is it should be able to run both well in sample data and out of sample data. Okay? So in sample data would be, what you're backtesting with, right? So say January is your in sample data. Out of sample data would say be February, where it's not optimized for February, it's just running and you want to see the results. Okay, I have a little example here.